Thanks, Kyrie. Now new at 6, Essentia Health and the MNA have agreed on a first contract for more than 20 Northland nurses. Essentia Health and nurses at the Miller Hill Surgery Center reached the tentative agreement. The first contract covers roughly 23 nurses at the clinic. The contract comes after hundreds of Twin Ports nurses walked off the job in July. This new agreement will be effective through March of 2026. Union members will have the ratification vote Wednesday of next week. Essentia and the MNA are still negotiating contracts for healthcare workers at the Solvay Hospice House. Deals were reached in August with nurses at Essentia's other clinics, including Superior.